You are a woman of adventure. Do you really have time to stop and worry about where the next restroom will be? On the boat, enjoying the ride, and really don't want to jump into the lake to relieve yourself? Wouldn't it be great to run without worry of having to find a large bush to squat behind? Or kayaking in crystal clear glacier water, destination unknown? Do you avoid leisurely Sunday drives because facilities are few and far between? Well, adventurous woman, your epic life has just gotten a whole lot better. Because we believe all women should be able to get out and go. Yes. Introducing the Tinkle Belle. The Tinkle Belle is a female stand-to-pee accessory that's created with all women in mind. Engineered for the perfect fit and no leaks. The longer spout allows for better stream direction because size matters. Use it fully clothed because there's really no need to show all of your assets. So courageous woman, get on that boat. Go on that run. Jump in that kayak. Show the lake who's boss lady now. Get on that country road of adventure. Thanks to Tinkle Belle, we can hydrate and go anywhere, anytime. So what are you waiting for? Mother Nature can't stop you. Get out there, adventurous woman. Show the world you are in charge of your destination and no toilets necessary. The Tinkle Belle is portable, compact, and easy to use. It's your new essential accessory. Don't let anything stop you from living your life. How you want it, when you want it, and now, standing up. Ah, the Tinkle Belle.